Right, welcome back to Shed Tune. We're back in HQ, and you know we've been getting on with that. Well, that's got to take a back seat because we're going to burn it. Only joking, we're not really going to burn it. Do you remember that really good wiring? And I did the shout out, and so many people responded. All 2 of you, thanks. Well, what we've done is we've sourced an expert. We've been on the Vespa Club of Great Britain. They said there wasn't any experts, so we then looked at some other Vespa sites on Facebook and couldn't find any on there. So we had to find another one. Guest to the workshop is Phil at RPM.
Hello!
Come on in, mate. And Phil has said that he will happily help us get this wiring sorted.
I have bought a bag of goodies.
Fabulous. Right, Phil, so you brought me a bag of goodies. What have we got in the bag? Let's have a look.
Right. We have
Wiring. Ooh.
Vespa Speedo.
Rightio. More wiring.
That's for a front brake light switch for
Disc.
disc, but we haven't got a disc, so
Okay.
don't need that.
Oh, a switch.
New indicator.
Okay.
Lights.
Okay, yeah, good.
After your last little shout out, some
Oh, brackets.
brackets from CDI.
Ah.
There's another one in here somewhere.
Superb.
Head mounting.
Oh yeah, we didn't have that.
Light.
Good.
More electricery.
Look, a red thing.
Yeah.
And a yellow thing.
A yellow thing.
Is that indicator thing?
No, that's not indicator.
No, okay, I'll shut up.
LML Speedo.
Oh yeah, Speedo.
But looking at that, I think we need to find a Vespa one.
Okay,
Because that's not going to work now.
rightio. Oh yeah, coil.
Brand new coil. Another bracket for the CDI.
Good.
Rear hub.
Ah, yes, we need the rear hub.
And flasher relay.
Oh, of course. We don't want any flashes in here.
So yeah, that is in the bag of goodies for today.
Fabulous. That does make your belly look very massive, Phil. Look at, you know.
I'm like dumb. Hold up. I'm like dumb.
You could be Dom too. Right, so the LML has got a Vespa wiring loom in it.
Yes.
Why?
Because the LML and wiring looms are notoriously crap. So people tend to change them for Vespa wiring looms, which are better quality. You get more length on them and everything. So
Okay.
hence why they change.
Okay, and the issue that I have is obviously I don't know my way around the wiring because it's just blocks, and obviously there's different shapes that plug into different bits, and it didn't look like it was all going together. So because Phil's brought some new switch gear over, it means that we can swap these out and potentially get them, and then it'll all plug in and maybe work. And we might even be able to connect a battery and see if things do work. So as you can see, the old wiring's a bit of a dark art to most people, me included. I prefer hitting things with hammers, I'll be honest, rather than messing about with electricery. Phil, however, seems to be the master of the Vespas. That always instills lots of confidence in me when people laugh. So we're getting somewhere with it now, I think. A mass of wiring, look, it all looks shit.
So flasher relay, Flasher relay. Grey, red, black, white.
Yeah, no pressure.
No pressure. I'm under pressure, Russ.
No pressure. Do you want a hammer?
I've got a big one in the van. Right. That's that.
That's it.
Tidy it up as we go along.
Like I know what I'm doing. He's still going. Spaghetti junction's not becoming so bad. Okay. Lucky he knows what he's doing with that
Right, that's your
indicator relay. Sound like I know what I'm doing now.
So that's all that one done. So get rid of that one in its proper place.
Oh, proper place. So with the spare wires, what did you do? Just cut the ends off and chuck them away? Or is that not a thing? Is that not what
No, because this is a wiring loom for an electric start model. And at the moment, just to make my life easier, I've just put a 3-pole in instead of a 5-pole, sorry.
Yeah, not a North Pole.
Or the South Pole.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm just working my way round. No, I can't remember which one goes where. Is it that one that goes up to the bang box?
Right, look at that. Nicely wired up. Looks like it's actually supposed to be there now. Not like the spaghetti junction that it was. Just remembered. I put the barrel in here 2 weeks ago. Ooh. At least it didn't go rusty. Do you reckon all that crap has come out of all the ports? Let's have a look. Probably need a bit of a wire brush, but there you go. That'll go back on that engine, and that'll no doubt run like a dream next. Right, while we're working on the Vespa, I've got a confession. Russ, I've owned lots of Vespas.
True story.
True story. And I know people have been commenting on about Vespas, but I do like them. I've had a number of them. I'm going to insert a load of clips now of all the Vespas I've had over the years. Dom's come up with a blinder. What are we going to call it, Dom?
The Dirty Indian. There, easy for me to say. The Dirty Indian. Because apparently there's this weird, stupid Spanish one called the Dirty Spaniard.
I know nothing. I am from Barcelona.
Fuck you, Dominic.
Well, there you go. You heard it first.
The Dirty Indian.
Dom's had another moment of genius.
Sponsored by Apu Racing. Thank you, come again.
I mean, thank you. I'll come again.
Apu Racing. That is absolute quality, look.
See, look at that.
Actually fits you still, Dom. I'm quite surprised.
Look at that.
I bought it yesterday. New colour scheme.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's it.
Thank you, come again.
Can you come again?
You may ask me 3 questions.
That's great, because all I need is one.
Are you really the head of the Quickie Mart?
Yes,
Really?
yes,
You?
yes. I hope this has been enlightening for you.
But I must.
Thank you. Come again.
Okay, so we're doing the front end now, and there's a big multi-plug thing there, which is a big multi-plug thing that plugs plug into. And apparently it's really easy.
So, lights.
Yeah.
We have indicators.
Yeah. And they're all different shapes, aren't they?
Yes.
which is handy because that means even an idiot like me could potentially
Let's go underneath that one.
plug it all in and it work.
More indicators. Hold up a second. Indicators. Main loom. We have speedo.
Okay.
There. One's speedo, one's fuel sender.
Okay.
Then we have
A red thing.
a red box.
What's that do?
That is,
Something red.
I can't fucking remember, but you need it.
Oh well.
Yeah, well,
There you go. You need that.
I can't
We
remember.
no idea what it is, but we need
Yeah.
it. We didn't have it before, but now we got it. Okay.
grey. Black.
This wiring's a piece of cake, isn't it? I thought Lambrettas was easy.
And you got red.
Which goes to something, somewhere.
Somewhere. That's 4.
See how easy it is? Not. Bit of gaffer tape. Well, I'm sure you're really not bored watching us mess about the wiring, so we'll come back in a minute when it's done. We've just got to move that so that we can slip the wiring in. If it goes up in flames, you'll know Phil's rubbish at wiring. That's the batteries connecting, not a bomb. Here we go.
Right, so. Did you hear that? No, so that's got to go back into there.
Will it or won't it work?
Probably not.
Will it catch fire? Has Phil got a shiny head?
It's upside down, Russ.
I think he has. Boom! Right, well, Phil's right, it didn't bloody work. So we're now into plan B, which I don't really know what that is yet, but right.
Is that skip?
Yeah, exactly. Where is that skip? So we're going to have to chase the wiring down and just find out what the fault is. There's clearly a fault somewhere that's not working as it should do. Not the end of the world, but it is the end of the video. So for now, from Phil, say bye, Phil.
Bye, Phil.
That's it. He's been watching too many videos. And from me, it's also bye. So don't forget, like, subscribe and all the rest of the crap. Don't forget we've got an Etsy shop, and if you want to support the channel, go buy some t-shirts or something. It keeps us in, well, probably just coffee, maybe milk, definitely not beer. But anyway, that's it for now. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time, when hopefully we'll have all the wiring sorted on the LML.